A new moment in home building has arrived. Builders FirstSource and BMC have joined forces to create the premier supplier of building materials and services. Our goal is to be the best and leverage the nation's largest distribution and manufacturing footprint to transform the home building industry. Together, we will deliver exceptional service and innovative solutions to help customers build easier, make the dream of home ownership more achievable, and accelerate the improvement of building efficiency, job site safety, and sustainability. We are ready to partner with you to shape the future of home building, a future that favors innovation over tradition and allows you to combine our decades of experience with new products and processes that will optimize your budget, bottom line, and business model. Welcome to the new Builders FirstSource, where national reach meets local expertise. The future of better building starts now.